Good afternoon, everyone. Today on the bench we have this poor state mini disc recorder and player MZ RH1 from Sony. This was received from the Japan street, and I would like to see what we can do, if we can actually repair it, if it's working, and so on and so forth. So at first I have installed the battery. Battery is charged already. Let's put the laser in the back position, and let's grab some mini disc. Let's see, this is simple, just standard mini disc. Do we have some? Oh. Very interesting sounds. But do we have playback? Yes, strangely, it is playing. Okay. Then let's grab a NetMD mini disc. Will it play? But for example, look, fast forward doesn't work. Or it works. Rewind works, but fast forward doesn't work. Yeah, so we have a problem also with the switches. What about pause, stop? Looks like those are working. Volume, up, down, looks like it's working. But we cannot skip the tracks. Let's grab remote. Okay, so we have something playing, and sled motor looks very nice. Yeah, so from the remote we have actually working. Skip to the next track. Yeah, we will have to deal with this too. Yeah. Okay. I will not check if it can record right now, because there is no point. Let's just go straight away to the repair process. Okay, so let's start. Okay, and let's remove it. Oh, we have some dust over here. Let's put that straight away to the bin. It's interesting how this one broke off, actually. Okay, this will be a bit later problem. Right now, let's focus on this. Oh, we have some broken things instantly. And I see that this is from the LCD, not the LCD, but from the OLED part. And if we unscrew, there is nothing holds it anymore. But you know what, whatever, we still have 1 from the sides. Yeah. You know what, we can straight away, I think, remove it. Because we will have to deal with screen replacement also. And more dust is coming out from it. Now let's remove the PCB. Okay, I see some remainers of super glue. We'll see what we can do about that, but now there is a problem to unscrew that screw from right over here. Yeah. I don't understand why to use super glue in that place. Oh yeah, this will be very, very fun, actually. Jesus Christ, super glue, seriously? Okay. We have removed it. I think we will have to definitely change that screw. Okay, and we have some dust right over here, but surprisingly nothing very major. Also, I have purchased this brush from, as I remember, from AliExpress or Temu. This is very, very good for dust cleaning, you know, from parts like that. Yeah. Okay, now we can remove, we can actually clean the record head. Okay, now regarding the laser, just gently wiggle it, and that's it. Let's put 3 screws that are still okay. Okay, the screw we will put a bit later. Oh, we can do it right now, maybe. I'm using a new screw for that piece. Okay. Now, the fun part. We will have to solder record head. Now gently we have to pry it from the board because it is glued. Yeah, just like that. Let's undo the last screw from the motherboard. And now just lift this and this up. And it should just go out. Good. This one. Just like this. That's the board removed. The board looks actually very clean. Okay, switches are also looks nice. Good, let's put it away and let's focus on this part. Okay, instantly I see some dust right over here. That is never a good thing. Now, what I would recommend is to remove this. Use your finger, because if you're not using that, this can just go away instantly. Okay, somehow it is still binding. You know what? Let's just remove the sled motor and what is holding it actually? I don't see anything. Okay. Let's grab this gear and let's inspect it. Gear actually seems to be fine. Let's just clean it a bit, and then we will use some grease on that. Now about this gear. Let's remove it and let's investigate it. Okay. It is just going out, just like that. And straight away I see that we have a problem with this very small tiny gear. Yeah. We have a problem with that one. Now how to fix that in this place? Well, super glue is no go, definitely. For this kind of job, I think the best way would be to get new sled, and I think that maybe I have one. Yeah, just look at that. I have this broken tool, and I think that the sled is maybe the same. Actually, most of it looks like it's the same, as you can see straight away. This is, by the way, N10 that have damaged laser on it. As I remember correctly. Yes, that one. Okay, so let's try to remove this and let's see if we have the same part. Let's hope that it is the same. Okay, I don't... Come on. Just give it back to me. And no, they are different. They are different. But this thing, I think it is the same. From what I can tell right now. Let me see both of those under the microscope and I'll be back. Okay, so what have I done? I have removed that from the super glue because it just doesn't work, because the gear stretched too much and that gap instantly gets a bit bigger, and because of that gears starts to bind, you know, with each other. So what I have done, I have used small drill and drilled that gear that I still had from that MZN10, and now it is proper. There is no binding at all. I drilled, then used a bit of super glue, and now it is just perfectly fine. I will use this worm gear from N10 on this device. Basically, there is no difference, but in my opinion, but let's not risk. Okay, so we can put back this. Okay, let's add a tiny bit of lithium grease on the gear, and let's put it back. Okay, now let's put back this tiny little E-clip or C-clip, or whatever you call it. Jesus, it's so hard to put that one back. I just don't understand why it is so hard. Come on. Yeah. Okay. We are in. Now this one thing is also in the place. And now everything moves very freely. Nice. Perfect. Okay. Let's use tiny bit of lithium grease right over here. Okay. And also, let's not forget to use that on the sled. And right over here. Just like that. Now it should be just perfectly fine. Okay, let's do the procedure. Okay, so I think that part is all right. Since everything is fine, we can just basically put that board back to the device. And like this, it goes back. Yeah. Okay. Now the nerve-wracking thing. Let's put this back where it's supposed to be. Okay. And then just lock with your finger. I think it's okay. Now this one is a bit difficult, more difficult, but it is manageable. Nothing very crazy, just like that. It is fully in, and let's lock it. That's it. Now we can put back those motherboard screws. We can put this one back after soldering the head back, actually, because we have to do that. Okay, that's it. No more soldering needed. So let's hope. What? Let's test the device a bit, and then we will start the procedure for changing the LCD. Of course, let's put the laser on the far side, the most far away from the spindle. Where is the mini disc? Okay. The battery. And let's see. You hear how nicely it's working right now. Let's play. So, device is working. And we do not have that crazy sound, yeah? Okay, now let's put this away and let's work on that part. Now kicks in nerve-wracking thing. We will have to change the screen. Okay. And also let's investigate in the process that Jesus Christ, it just shreds. Why it is not giving any action on this side. Yeah. Okay, there is just one screw right over here. And then it should just pop out. My God, look at that. I see some hair, I see some nasty dust. Jesus Christ. we will have to check this. Now let's remove those two bad screens. Okay, now only one screw left. Is this one, and it should just go out. If I remember, I have to squeeze that button in. Yeah. Yes, finally. Okay, now those buttons, I think we'll have to remove them. Most likely. Okay, first let's remove this. And now the screens. Since they are already gone with the wind, I'm gonna use that knife just to slide them out. Come on. Just go away, you piece of trash. Okay, one out, one left. That is pretty much very good glue they used. Okay, let's remove them. Well, whatever. It's not necessary to remove everything, and right here we have to cut some lasting around that place. It's okay. Then there's just use a knife. Okay, let's just squeeze those a bit, and that's it. They are actually in the place. Yes. Yes, they are. Okay, now let's address into that button. Why it is not working, you know. Okay, let's use just some contact cleaner in that, and let's see. Okay, and straight away we can do a small test. Let's connect both LCDs, not LCDs, but OLEDs. Okay, so one is in. Looks like that. No, it is not fully in. Yeah, now it is. Okay. Damn, when I'm working with those small things, my hands are getting very sweaty because of the stress. Okay, you know what? Let's do some quick testing. Okay, let's connect. I don't have any mini disc inserted. Let's do that. Okay, we are in. Now let's see if we have some life. Okay, LCDs are working, but now let's check that if we can. Okay, so it is playing already. Now can we skip the track? No, it is going back. Okay, but is it going forward? Yes, now it is going. Yes, perfectly fine. Okay. So that's it. Enough for testing. Let's remove the battery. And let's start assembling this part. So remember, those goes like this. And then they are just go like that. Okay, but before this, let's put this bracket back. And one more thing, what I would like to do, I would like to check if we can reuse this one. Maybe it's not necessary, you know what? Black tape. Because on some of the devices I still can see that gap between OLEDs. Yeah. Okay, so let's check what we can do about that. And actually I don't see much what I can do. but let's try to cut a bit of tape and we will test that if it works actually. Okay, let's grab this small piece and let's put this just right over here. Yeah. Yeah, like that. And we will see. Okay. Before anything else, let's clean the inside. Like that, and let's use this. Just brush everything out straight onto the LCDs, not LCDs. Why I am keep telling that those are LCDs, I don't know. Now this button. Okay. So let's put those. In. Just like that. I think they just slide in nice. Or should slide in nice. Yes. Yes, they are. Let's put back the screw. And let's see. I think everything will be just perfect. Okay, now this nerve-wracking actually thing. First of all, let's put that spring between those, because it is much easier to deal with this like that. And come on, maybe let's do first this part, yeah, and then let's this will be hard. Jesus Christ. Okay. Now we have to use something a bit smaller. Maybe this will help me. Okay, I think we are done. Finally. Okay, now about those buttons. We done that part good, but what do we have right here? Let's check the buttons. Okay. Okay, and this one also fine. Let's put this one back. Okay, this buttons, everything should work just perfectly fine. Okay. So right now I will do just a tiny bit break and we will proceed with full assembly. Okay. Well, what have I done? I have used a bit of super glue on this place, but also I have used soldering iron and just tapped, and I think I have managed to do this very good, and it is not going anywhere right now. Yeah, so let's do a bit of cleaning. Maybe let's do a quick check before full assembly. Okay, so what do we have? Yeah, device fully works. Yeah. Okay. Let's then proceed with assembly. Okay, let's put this back. There is some brackets that just have to clip in. On, not clip in, but clip on maybe. Okay, it should be fine. This one also. Because we do not have screw in this place, now it's gonna be a bit more tricky to put back this thing. Yeah. What? Some parts are just flying out. Oh my god, it is so brittle. From where it is? Oh, it's from right over here. Jesus. Okay, we will have to do something about that. That plastic is very brittle, as I can see. Okay, this should go right like this. Good, let's start using super glue again. Again, super glue. I think it will be fine. Yeah. Not perfect. Okay. So let's put this back. I think it will be okay. Good. And let's put back the screws. And that's it. Let's put in the battery. Mini disc. Okay. It looks like it's working. Let's grab and put some headphones just to test. Yeah. Okay. I will also try to record with this device soon with my computer, and maybe I will put some short video after that, so that. Okay, it is recording perfectly now. IMD. Yeah. So that's it. We have perfectly working device. In just a second, we have to get the list of the tracks. Okay, it's writing, I think, table of contents, and let's see if we have the role in. Yes, we have. So that's it. I hope you all liked the video. As always, please consider supporting my channel. Also, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Magic.